Okay, we're live on YouTube now. So,
Oh, hey Debbie, did I miss what happened to Pedro Lázaro on page two?
Oh, that's going to be set for trial. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, that's set for
oh,
trial.
Lázaro set for trial.
Yes, sorry, Judge.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Hmm. So, Yeah, Miss Blake,
Ready, Judge.
you ready? Okay, 1 minute. Who's that on the screen, please?
This is Jerry Floating Stretch.
Flores. Jerry. Okay, Jerry Flores has got 2 cases. I have 2 cases on my screen. Is he going to plead both cases?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Let me put one of them up. Mr. Flores, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Can you see the screen? If not, get closer so you can see it, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is your name Jerry Flores?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Jerry Flores when this cause number 2025 CC 015409, who is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Are you also the same Jerry Flores when cause number 2025 CC 015410, when that cause number is also charged with criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
These 2 cases are Class B misdemeanors. It's possible in both your cases, in each one of these cases, that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a possible fine in each case anywhere from a minimum of $0 up to maximum $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible range of punishment could be in both of these 2 cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document on my screen that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. You filed this document in both cases. And basically, when you did this, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled The Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have filed this document in both cases. You have signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over these documents with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain these documents to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, and so is your lawyer. You filed this in both cases as well. When you filed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense in cause number 2025 CC 015409, to the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And then in the other cause number 2025 CC 015410, in that cause number, to the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750. How do you plead in that case?
No contest,
Guilty,
Your
not
Honor.
guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. And you understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargains, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes,
There's
Your
no con-
Honor. It is a $200 fine, fully probated plus court costs, 10 months of deferred adjudication, and a no contact order with Maximiliano Quintana in the first case, Your Honor.
Okay. And in the second case?
And in the second case, it is a $200 fine, fully probated plus court costs, 10 months of deferred adjudication,
Did you say 2 or
a
10? I'm sorry.
10 months of
10
deferred
months again? Okay.
adjudication, a no contact order with Ronnie Martinez,
Okay.
and restitution in the amount of $108.21 to Ronnie Martinez.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Ms. Blake?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree with this, Mr. Flores?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Flores, I just need to warn you that deferred can be a great deal, it can be a bad deal. The great part about the deal is if you successfully complete this, you'll be able to say you were never convicted of these crimes. But if you screw up and you violate it, you could be looking at the maximums. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you still want to do this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Then in cause number 2025 CC 015409, where you pled no contest to the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750, the court, having heard that plea no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer, postpone any adjudication of this matter for 10 months, place you on probation for 10 months. I assess a fully probated $200 fine, plus court costs. And you to have no contact with Maximiliano, is that Quintana?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm just going to put Max and Quintana. Okay. So I've done one set of paperwork. I got to do another set. So hold on, sir.
It's supposed to be taken today to the and it's so sad because this lead comes again so the other thing.
Okay, the other cause number 2025 CC 015410, the court having heard you plead no contest in that case. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I file the plea bargain. Excuse me, I don't find you guilty. I instead defer, postpone any adjudication of this matter for 10 months. Place you on probation for 10 months. I assess a fully probated $200 fine plus court costs. I'm going to order that you have no contact in this second case with Ronnie Martinez. And that you make restitution in the amount of $108.21 to Mr. Martinez. Okay, tell the deputies that you need to talk to the probation officer. Okay, so tell them that you need to talk to the probation officer, not to take you away. Okay.
Your Honor.
All right.
I'm headed to number 2, Your Honor, to meet with him.
Okay. Did they hear that? Debbie did.
That's me, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, Judge, we know.
Okay. So now the next one should be Mr. Holland.
Yes, sir. Your Honor.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Holland. Let me find you now on my paper docket. Okay, got it. Okay, Mr. Holland, can you raise your right hand?
Sir.
You swear the testimony
Yes,
you're
sir.
about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name George Holland?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same George Holland who, in this cause number 2025 CC 003576, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
That is correct, Your Honor.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now at the document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
Yes.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. You understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite that there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is a $0 fine plus court costs, 45 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Blake?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree with this, Mr. Holland?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Holland, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 45 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run current. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Blake?
Yes, Your Honor. It is.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay. Good luck
Yes, Your
to you.
Honor.
And Angela,
Thank you
thank
so
you for
much.
helping us out on this.
You're welcome, Judge. Anytime.
Thank you.
Your Honor. You have a blessed Christmas.
Coming
You too.
All right, Judge. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, and I think that's everything, right? Can we, everybody here? And by the way, Miss Taylor, you've been doing a great job. Thank you very much for
Thank
doing
you.
what
I
you're
appreciate
doing,
it.
sending out the offers early and doing all that stuff and actually being on time. It's wonderful. You know, it's really
Thank you.
very nice. Thank you.
We hope
all
they
right.
don't take you from us soon.
Yeah, they'll
I
probably,
think I'll
now
be
that-
here for a couple months.
okay. Thank you for doing the good job you're doing. And of course, Cassie, you always do a great job, and so do you, Angelise. And you know what, Angelise, you get to go and walk around